So, have you heard of TQ Trivia? TQ Trivia is an online Nigerian trivia game that allows you to challenge other players by answering a series of questions correctly and win real money. Today I'll make a review of the platform and you'll get to know how to use the app on your mobile phone, where to download the app, and then you let me know what you think about the game in the comment section. Is it scam or legit? This video is brought to you by Pentaloft, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, you need to download the app from the App Store. So head over to Google Play Store if you use Android, or the App Store if you use iOS device, and search for TQ. Make sure you click on the one with the same icon in this video and download and install the app. You should get a screen like this when you open the app for the first time. Now you need to sign up by providing your details. They are easy steps, just provide your mobile number and you get a verification code sent to you. After registration, you should get a screen like this where you practice how to play the game. The game is kinda interesting because you can challenge your friends directly from your contacts, and you can use a life to make up for a failed question during the gameplay. You can buy extra life or invite your friends with your invite code to get free extra lives. I have come across a number of trivia games like this one, such as Carryfest. What usually happens is that the benefits get enjoyed by the first set of people who joins the platform, and as the platform gets bigger and more people begin to join the game, more people will start losing and the benefits usually get small, and there will be several jams during the gameplay due to high number of players. So I want you to let me know what you think about this platform. Do you think they will be different, or it will just be another similar trivia game like the past ones? Please put your opinions in the comment section. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video and see you soon.